Guys, welcome back to the channel, and we are proud to present to you guys this stunning little chapel that's been left here to rot and decay and for nature to take back over. It's very, very small, full of a lot of things, so we can go through this nice and slowly. Well, we'll go through the best we can, haven't we, Megs? I do. We like these churches and that, don't we? That organ. There's barely even a layer of dust over it. Wow. Electone. Crazy. Obviously you got the little church pew there where they would have sat, where they could have played it. Little heater in case it got cold. 2 heaters. It does, doesn't it? And as you're looking in there, could have been your congregation sat there. Come across, we've got another one. This is a piano organ. Look at that, Ontario, Canada. Wow. All these little bits has on it. This has got a bit more dust over it. So we've got a hymn book here for them to play. It says here, B. Wiles, 1965. And you've got the Bible. Oh yeah. It's a beautiful organ though, isn't it? Got 2 organs in here. Got a nice quartz clock at the very top there. You got another set of pews along here as well. As we come up to where Megan is standing. Imagine that's where your priest would have been there. Oh look, you got this little board here. I wonder if that tells you what hymns were going to be sung for the day. That's the order they were going in.
Of course it is, you know, too.
Yeah.
Have you ever been to church?
No, I'm not really a church goer, I must say.
Were you at school and that?
Yeah, the holiday was at school. What you got there? Looks like a nice plaque there. Mr. Jabez Hawkins. He died in December 18th, 1857. And we got the blood of Jesus Christ, his son. Cleanse us from all sin. Got these little steps that come up. Wow. Another little clock here, heater. And a little light. Where you would have done your reading from. We have got a top layer up there as well. Shall we go and have a look? We'll come down here. Come into where I imagine would be like a little tea room, little break room. Oh, Wilding Baptist Chapel. What we got here? Loads of cards. I don't know what these cards are. 0, 1, 1. Maybe this was the they put all the cards for that hymns board. And then look at these little pew chests there. Oh wow! I wonder if this was like a little living quarters, possibly. Bench, fireplace, and them drawers. Oh wow! And oh my god, the biggest spider I've seen in a long time sat there. Yes, giving me the creeps. For that reason, guys, I'm out of this room. For those who know me, they know I hate spiders. Another organ. This one's sort of, look at the keys, they're all like an orangey yellowy colour. They're meant to be like that. Is it stained? Imperial organ, London, England. Wow. Great little place here. Yeah, this must have been the sort of rec room. Looking at the back of the chairs, where the hymn books would have gone. Sat in place, these little stained glass windows as well. Yeah, I'm going to head up to the top anyway. The rest of the windows in there are all, well, say normal basically. But, so we've got little heaters up here. Full of heaters this place, isn't it? No. You've got a load of Bible books in that here. 23rd Psalm, Bible stories. Wow. These tight little stairs that go up. Which we shall head up now. Wow. This is where it all would have happened. Imagine that's where everyone would have hung their coats, who was ever up here. And they would have sat up here. Got those sort of stained glass windows again up there, orangey colour. Got your pews all along here. Your chairs. This is the sort of view you would have got from above. Amazing little place. Now I know normally on the channel churches don't normally do that well. And I think for us these sort of explorers are just what we like on a personal level. We love this type of explore, don't we, Megs? So, Meg won't chat to me. She's taking photos. Right, guys. No, this isn't everyone's cup of tea. It's a little Baptist chapel, isn't it, basically? But
it's a little chapel, yeah. I enjoy it. I like taking photos, so it's to us we like it.
We like these explores, and yeah, I think we're on the third one of the day, which we're quite happy about.
Yeah.
Yeah, hope you enjoy it. If you did, smash that thumbs up.
Make sure you subscribe if you haven't before, and if you are already subscribing, we thank
you
you so much from the bottom of our hearts.
Right, you happy? You happy?
Happy.
Oh, you guys are happy, and we'll catch you on the next one.
See you later.
Bye.